I'm here today with a brand new YouTube niche that if you follow it, gives you a 99% chance of going viral. But to fully understand it, you'll need to watch the entire video. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know where you're watching from. So let's get started. You won't believe this, but I recently found a YouTube channel that gained more than 9,000 subscribers just by uploading shorts only. And the crazy part is that this channel was created just a few months ago in 2025. Now wait a second, because here comes the shocking part. When I checked their videos, even the latest ones were getting massive views, and their popular shorts have already crossed 12 million plus views. Isn't that insane? Now here's the interesting thing. All these viral shorts were made using Sora, the AI video generator. You might have seen those trending clips where Michael Jackson suddenly appears doing something funny or unexpected.
He stole my chicken! Ooh! Got a box of gold, crispy and warm.
Yep, that's all made with Sora. And check this second channel out. It's only 1 or 2 months old and it already has more than 14,000 subscribers. Their latest videos get around 24,000 views easily, and some of their popular ones are just exploding in numbers. The secret again, AI plus Sora. Now I know what you're thinking, like, come on bro, is this really AI? Well, I thought the same, but today I'll show you the proof with a full practical demo. So first of all, open Sora 2. You can access it from any platform, but I'm using the official Sora 2 version. Let's say you're looking at a video with a rabbit hopping around. If you don't like the rabbit and want to replace it with something else like a squirrel, just click the remix button at the top. Here, you can type in exactly what you want. For example, type, replace the white rabbit with a squirrel. Hit the next button, and in just a few minutes, the video is ready.
Oh, nuts. Oh, nuts. I'm running way behind. 12:15 already? Gotta move. Sorry, can't chat. Places to be.
It's amazing how fast it works. And the quality is so good. It creates a realistic atmosphere with real-world physics. Even if you don't have a background in video production, you can create something that looks professional. Now let's take it a step further. Let's say you want to add your own face to the video. Sora AI makes this possible too. It has a feature called Add Your Cameo. Simply click on it, record a short video of yourself, and the AI will integrate you into the scene. However, keep in mind that this feature is only available for iOS users. If you have an iPhone or iPad, you're good to go. If not, you'll have to wait until the feature is available on other devices. Let's try a different prompt. Create a video where a man in a funny costume is trying to jump into a swimming pool. After entering the prompt, click Next, and within minutes, the video will be ready.
All right, here we go. Deep breath. You got this.
Come on, big guy!
I'm doing it! Whoa! Oh! That was a splash! I'm okay.
10 out of 10 for style, though.
I'll take it.
For another example, let's create a video where 2 bodybuilders are arm wrestling in a public park. After entering the prompt and clicking Next, you'll see the video come to life in just a few minutes.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! All right, here we go. You're strong, man. Come on, push it. Nope, not today. Dig! Oh, there it is! Oh, that's it! Woo! Good fight, brother. Respect, man. That was solid. Give it up, y'all.
This technology is so advanced that even YouTube might have trouble identifying if a video is AI generated or not. The AI creates such realistic videos with real-world environments and physics, but I want to make one thing clear. I would never mislead you into thinking that uploading AI-generated content without any edits is a good idea. While AI can create the base content for you, it's important to add your own personal touch. Editing is key to making your video stand out. Now, let's talk about editing. You can use any editing platform, but I'm using CapCut for this tutorial. Once your video is ready in Sora, import it into CapCut to start editing. The first thing you'll want to do is add your voiceover or reaction. This personalizes the video and makes it feel more like your own creation. You can record your voiceover directly in CapCut or upload a pre-recorded clip. After that, you can adjust the timing to sync with the video. Next, click on Text, then Add Heading, and drag it to the timeline where you want it to appear. Once the text is in place, click on Edit to adjust the font, size, and position. You can customize the text to make it fit the video perfectly. After you've adjusted the text, open its properties and select options like shadow, highlights, glow, or stroke. These effects will give your text a polished, professional look. Next up is audio editing. Click on the audio option in CapCut. CapCut has a lot of sound effects and music, but I recommend uploading your own copyright-free background music or sound effects. This keeps your video safe from copyright claims and ensures a smooth editing process. Now let's move on to adding captions. Click the Captions button. You can either type the captions manually or use the auto caption feature. Select your preferred language, English, US, and click Generate. The captions will be ready in just a few seconds. Once the captions are generated, you can adjust the timing and choose a style. CapCut offers a variety of templates, so you can pick the one that works best for your video. You can also adjust the text style, color, and animation to match the tone of your video. Finally, it's time to export your video. Click on the Export button and CapCut will render the video. Depending on the complexity of your edits, this might take a minute. Once it's done, you can download your video and upload it to your chosen platform. And that's it. You now know how to create an AI-generated video, edit it, and add your personal touch to make it stand out. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips. If you want a part 2 where I explain the full process of making your video go viral, leave a comment saying part 2 below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.